guys, meet my business partner.
Yo, choppy life has become a lifestyle.
Yes, so choppy life.
Enjoyment is not.
It's not for children.
This is my number one baba. Number one.
Woo! Onyinye.
If you need him to cut you.
Just ring the bell. Just ring the bell. Ring, ring, ring.
You'll be at your doorstep.
Sharply.
As long as you have the chadas. The Benjamin.
Give them.
You already know.
That's
how we roll.
That's how we roll.
I went from Helly Hansons to mini mansions. The girls in the Aruba doing belly dancing. Spent half of my advancing. Jars from brain through my circumstances. But you know.
Let's do the check.
Look at it.
Check.
Look at the choppers in house. Well, let's stop.
Let's do this stuff. I swear, braid the fit you. Just like baby.
I don't speak about
Baby, one baby.
nobody want baby. So that one they do me. The one what they do me now the same. How can I do this? I will do it yesterday. Sit down properly.
2 hours later.
Hello everyone, good morning to everyone. Welcome back again to my channel. So yeah, today I'm just starting a new vlog for today. Not like I'm going to be doing, I'm not doing anything serious, so nothing. The only thing I'm doing now is just to film. I'm filming a video right now, and I'm only going to do one video. And there's a business I'm planning with my younger sister and a friend, a guy. He's going to come to the house today, so we're just going to figure everything out, you know, plan the business or do the business plan, and also, you know, do all the website design and all of that. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. But right now I already started filming. You guys forget this to do. I'm actually filming, like I said before, so this is a cricket pin. I just wanted to put it here so I don't misplace it, because I can actually fling things there. I can fling things a lot. So yeah, let me show you guys my filming setup. But this is not what it is. This is just what I'm doing, or what I am using for now. I'm just waiting for one money to just come so I can arrange this place. But yeah, this is what the setup looks like. Just imagine. So I have, it was actually like 3 ring lights before, but my sister took one. So I have like 2 ring lights right now, and then this one here. This one is just to bring light from the top, and then the ring lights. So yeah, and this is my camera. This is the camera I use for those of you that are asking. So this is it. This is the camera I use. 80D. Yep, I use 80D, and I use the normal lens. And I'm praying for God to give me money to buy Sigma lens. Or more, if I just buy Sigma lens, my life don't better. Or should I just put this thing so that you guys will see what I'm doing or how I'm doing it? let me put you guys here so that you will see how I am filming or doing my filming. But before you guys will see this video, hopefully before you see this video, probably this one would have been off like 2 weeks, because my vlogs are just once a week. That's what I want to be doing, one vlog a week. And
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place.
almost is on. Hey, don't knock her. Yeah, no, it's looking better. Melly Jane, OKEKE. Melly 100 okeke. Waiting for them to open Let's Kashakari, and this is Sunday, so they don't open on time. They usually open around 12. Is it 12 or 10? It's 10 now.
I thought 10, no. I don't know. I think it's 12.
Yeah, so they usually open around 12. So we're just outside, and now it's just 11. It's almost 12, yeah. So we're still here waiting for them. All the cars are waiting.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play
Where are you? You already know where are you, my baby? What?
I'm getting fat now. Hey, mega the mega, like that's so. Give them.
Calm down, slow down.
Give them.
Slow down.
Let's give us your own now, Valerie.
Enjoyment is not for children, I've told you before. Enjoyment is not for children. Leave back for us. We don't be elder. Leave back. Now what do you? Somebody took me out today. Thank God, dude, for the very first time.
Come on, go sleep.
Okay.
Go sleep.
Next day.
So today I'm going for my boss birthday, so we're actually going there today. I'm going with my elder sister. So yeah, I'll show you guys what the decor, what the food, everything looks like, and I wish I could show you guys what I'm wearing. Well, you guys see, this is my studio, so ignore all the plenty. That's like my sewing machine and so many other hair things. My elder sister is calling me, Ngozi. Okay, you guys, so sorry for that. Like I was saying, this is my studio. I'm actually filming this hair. I'm filming this hair, but I want to go have fun first before I continue the hair. So yeah, Sandra, Jerry J, Kes, Lillian,
Life of the party. Yay!
The next day.
You guys meet my business partner.
Yo, chopping life has become a lifestyle.
Yes, so chopping.
Enjoyment is
It's not for children.
This is my number one baba. Number one.
Woo! Onyinye.
If you need him to cut you.
Cut
Just-
you. Just ring the
To cut your
bell.
hair.
Just ring the bell. Ring, ring, ring.
He'll be at your doorstep.
Sharply.
As long as you have the chadas, the Benjamin.
Give them. Give
You
them.
already know.
That's
That's how we roll.
That's how we roll.
That's how we roll. Now it's about to pay money.
Hey,
Let's go.
Mega. You
Let's go,
don't
let's go.
you don't tell them your name, but you just say
I
waka.
don't need to tell them they will kidnap me.
Who will kidnap you? Okay, Mega.
I'm about to
Business partner, what's your name? Tell them your name.
M for mega. The other M is for money. In case
Mega.
you don't know.
Mega.
Trust.
Yeah. Voila.
You see the problem we have.
What's
You have
the
to
problem?
believe in yourself.
Yeah, I believe in myself.
Believe in yourself
Business
because
partner.
as it is right now, we're about to make money.
Okay.
I know who I am.
Guys, he's married though.
Yes. No. Yes.
What
I'm
is
married.
no? Yes.
I'm trying to.
Eh.
No, if I don't know what
You are married.
Yes.
Eh?
I'm married.
Period.
I'm married to one fine girl.
Yes, Kim K. Kim Kada.
So they call her.
Kim K.
But I love her. I love
She
her.
has,
I love
you
her.
know, all the succulent things.
Now, wow.
You know now.
What's that? It's here. See, please. Let me call her name before you now upload this video. Now she'll be thinking I'm talking about that person. Precious is her name.
Okay. Watch you. Hey.
Hey, you don't do me any fear.
Before I don't go
Yeah,
there.
so we are going to Apo now, Abi?
Yes, I'm going to Apo.
Okay. Let's go. Let's continue chopping our money. There's no fuel, but we'll keep moving.
Okay.
No fuel, but we'll move. Whether the government
We
likes it
move.
or yes, we move. Ensas. We are still there. We are still moving. We are moving. Don't worry. We don't need fuel. We don't need government fuel. We move with
See,
air.
it's looking fine now.
Yes.
He has chopped small money.
Yes.
Carve everywhere.
Tupa for carving. Tupa.
Tupa?
Yes, now.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I ain't kidding. I have the money, so I have to pay. Help the poor.
Mega.
No.
Guys, my table just arrived. Liking it. He used a good material. And I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers. So yeah, he's good. I'm going to leave his contact. Okay, you guys Instagram page or anything, or Facebook?
They don't have, I get Facebook now, but they don't have my account for Instagram.
They don't hack your account for Instagram. What do you do when they hack am?
Well, I get another one, sir.
You get
The
another?
next day.
Hello everyone, good morning. How is everybody doing today? How are you guys all doing? So yeah, it's a brand new day. I've taken my bath already. I am ready. I'm fit, like overread is worrying me. So yeah, I'm ready and I want to do a small shoot. I want to do bridal hairstyle, and my mother is coming this morning. I've even eaten as well. So she's coming this morning and the time is already 7. No, the time is already 11 a.m. So she's late. So she's coming this morning for us to do a shoot. I'm going to be doing makeup and bridal hairstyle. So I'm going to be using my studio. This is my new studio. So here's my new studio. Can you guys see? I added this table. You guys saw when they brought the table. So but the thing is that this table is actually, it's high, and I don't know what to do. I think I'm going to be getting like another table. You know, this foldable table, I saw it on CCMA's channel, and I think I'm going to be getting that one. I think that one will be the one I'm going to be using when I'm doing like a makeup or a sit down talk or something. Yeah. I also bought this seat. So I bought this seat from, I won't lie, I didn't buy it as brand new. I bought it from Pantika. And you guys, Pantika is like a thrift store where you get like used stuff. So yeah. And I'm also working on another wig, guys. So I'm working on another wig. I'm going to coil this wig. This is Xpression, but I'm still going to coil it. See how sleekly straight it looks. So I'm going to coil it. I've already made the closure, so I'm going to coil it and then style it for you guys to see. I'm just here waiting for my model to come, so that we start filming. Hello. We just finished. She actually came late. I don't know why I'm looking dark. I'm not a dark girl for you guys. See my complexion, but I'm stressed. So we finished. Make her closer and see your makeup. She has already removed the lashes. Oh my goodness! She has removed the lashes. So pretty. And her hair. Cora, spin-round.
So my iPhone got this.
Yes, so yeah, guys, we just finished. But I don't have. I'm stressed. My face is so oily. I'm stressed. My face is very stressed. And that's my sister at the back, Vivian.
Yeah, that's her sister. I'm looking too dark. I am not this dark.
Please come to the lights. Come and see lights. See bomb.